What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can add Aptos network to your Trust wallet. All the process for that is very simple. For that, you just have to open up your Trust wallet. Now, this is how the Trust wallet will look like. Here, I'm just going to quickly log in with my password. Once I do that, I will be at the home page of the Trust wallet. Here, you just have to click on this little diamond icon which says Switch Network, and then you just have to click on Manage Network. Once you do that, you just have to try to find Aptos right here. If you can't find it, just click on Add Custom Network. If you do that, it will take you to the next page. Now, in this case, you just have to go to Google and search for Aptos Network, RPC, and other details. Just search for that. And then go to this link, which should say RPC Aptos. Now, there you go. You will have all the links, all the details right here. You copy the details and then put it right here. Once you do that, you will be able to add a custom network to Trust Wallet, which in this case will be the Aptos network. That's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.